Hello friends, it's me, Smartie the Alpaca. Have you ever wondered, where does rain come from, and where does it go? Today we're going to learn about something amazing called the water cycle. The water cycle is nature's way of moving water around our planet, again and again. Let's follow the journey step by step. Step 1. Evaporation. When the sun shines on oceans, lakes, and rivers, water warms up and turns into invisible vapor. This is called evaporation. It's like water turning into gas and rising into the sky. Step 2. Condensation. As the vapor goes higher, the air gets cooler. The water vapor changes back into tiny drops, and those drops gather together to make clouds. This step is called condensation. Step 3. Precipitation. When clouds get too heavy with water, the drops fall back to earth as precipitation. That means rain, snow, hail, or sleet. Step 4. Collection. The water then collects in rivers, lakes, and oceans. It also soaks into the ground to feed plants and fill underground water. And then, with the sun's warmth, the whole cycle starts again. Fun fact: the water you drink today may have once been in a cloud, in a river, or even inside a dinosaur millions of years ago. So remember, water is always on the move, traveling in a never-ending circle we call the water cycle. I'm Smartie the Alpaca. Thanks for learning with me today. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time.